Wondering what Etsy shoppers are searching for right now? We've got the top trending keywords of the month straight from real US customer behavior. Let eRank take the guesswork out of your SEO and product ideas as we break down what the top 250 searches reveal about what's hot on Etsy now. This video is a summary of our ever popular blog where eRank Jan dives even deeper into this data. July's Etsy keyword rankings just dropped, and we've got 9 new climbers in the top 20, including 2 total shockers that came screaming out of nowhere. Are they real trends or just Etsy chucking spaghetti at the wall? Let's dig in and find out. Here are the top keywords that climbed the fastest, with their July ranking first and followed by their June ranking, if any. We're not covering every keyword because we know you're busy, plus we've got a juicy roundup coming on what's really selling now, including a quick tip on niching down high competition keywords. So let's skip those usual suspects like phone case and t-shirt and jump straight into our first surprise climber, July's brand new number 1. Ranked first, gift is up from number 63. And wait, how did gift drop so low? It ranked number 2 in Etsy's US Top 1000 last year. But a quick trip to the keyword tool shows that the holiday spike carried it hard. Gift even hit number 1 in March. Still, it's super broad, so let's move on to a much more interesting climber. This one might surprise you, and it's way more fun for me. Ranked 5th is Halloween. It's up from number 46. Halloween is trending already. I love it. Halloween really is the most popular holiday on Etsy in the US. Halloween has recovered nicely year on year. It's up 41%, and it's trending in search and has the high converting badge. And just like last year, we see slews of related searches in this July's monthly trend keywords, including some we spotted for Halloween gift. That one does seem newer, right? So let's take a quick look at that one. We're not sure, have lots of people started exchanging gifts on Halloween? That would be cool. Or are these shoppers searching for Halloween themed gifts to give year round to Halloween enthusiasts? Whatever the case, year on year, Halloween gift is up 45,800% and an excellent click-through rate too of 113%. That's plenty of purchase intent. And this tracking the top Etsy keywords is great, but if you want to know what's actually selling, you do need to check out these click-through rates. That's why we wrap up every trend report with a monthly click-through rate roundup. These searches shoppers are clicking on the most. But first, let's finish our short list of the month's biggest climbers. Ranking 7th, wedding gift is up from number 530. And whoa, we didn't see that coming. We always thought wedding gift was steady year round with a peak before June weddings, but in July searches spiked hard. So we checked Google. And guess what? AI and Brides magazine both predict September and October as the hottest wedding months of 2025. Looks like shoppers are already on it. We'll definitely be watching this trend. In 9th place, K-pop Demon Hunters is up from number 222. This is a movie that released on Netflix in late June. But tempting as that 150% click-through rate is, resist. We're data geeks, not attorneys, but this is bound to be protected by intellectual property. Moving right along then, ranked 11th, Gift for Host is a screamer. A single month spike out of nowhere with pretty much no searches the 14 months before. We suspect this one might be Etsy's doing, a call to action on their homepage somewhere. Add it to a keyword list if you like, but we doubt we'll see this trending again. On to number 14th, Vintage Gift, another screamer. This one does have a better track record than Gift for Host. Vintage Gift actually hit number 30 back in March and spiked to over 35,000 searches. Not bad considering it barely registered in December. Now the broader term vintage ranked 7th last month, so maybe Etsy is leaning into the gift angle despite July not being a big gift giving month. Still, check out the competition. Makes you wonder why so many shops target low search keywords. Maybe they all jumped in during that March spike. If so, let's hope they're raking it in. And speaking of selling like hotcakes, let's see what else is selling well on Etsy these days. Here's our roundup of the top keywords on Etsy just now with 125% or more click-through rate. These roundups give you an insider access to which of the top searches on Etsy have the highest click-through rates now. Remember, high click-through rates are the best indicator of purchase intent. So if you're here looking for ideas of what to sell on Etsy, then this is for you. And just a quick word of caution, some of these shopper searches could cause an Etsy seller problems, whether it's protected by intellectual property rights or possibly prohibited by Etsy. Please look before you leap. And Jan looks into the top 250 keywords, so you want to check out over there. She also gave a quick tutorial on how to niche down using number 138, flower, because flower is a broader term with massive competition, but she showed how if you scroll down in the keyword tool to the related keywords, filter the columns to find low competition keywords that are popular now. Like these. Flower Girl basket sounds fun, but look at that, a rare find in the jewellery category, birth flower necklace. If you sell in jewellery, you know that finding low competition keywords can be tricky. The whole birth flower trend hasn't yet reached the stratospheric competition that birthstone jewellery has. Another positive, unlike birthstones, birth flower items aren't limited to jewellery. Products could be anything with a birth flower, from pillowcases to stationery to mouse pads to clothing. What an exciting find, Jan. Now we're off to check out what's trending in Etsy's other top countries. But even if you only ship to the US, stick around. We always uncover more about the US trends by digging into the UK, Canada and Australia too. And we'd love to hear your thoughts. Join us in eRank's private Facebook group. With over 29,000 members strong, there's always someone helpful to chat.